July 25th, 2022, Monday.
Situation report number 6, ma-release Yurin Kosrae Department of Public Health Services na Yurin Kosrae Public Information Office. Eke kanon report saying kalim mo arpisin with amfuko longo luo pa confirmed cases arfinen Kosrae ke pelsinge.
Ke comment pa na situation report saying kalim mo arpisin with logo limekos ma tested kilinikaya Sunday, July longo lagos.
Ein martlon with longo limekos ma tested ke senria ngayon kalim mo longo CCLOs tested positive and longo lagos came out as negative. Ganon situation report ng Kosrae Department of Health Services arpisin with lamfko yang alya pataga test niki pelsinge ambulong luo positive e siofog ngal kyos negative. In anda room ke pelsinge la deda makat usyo dasuminge el nana kanon ritmalon Kosrae Community Health Center pa wema wawasinge. Namarong Williams, Special Assistant, Office of the Governor.
Fact mga kalamiro ke pelsinge pa Kosrae COVID-19 Task Force Committee eta fa pologan nito ke ausingel in ta Europa palalos na ke situation si maash ke COVID-19 vinen Kosrae nge. Ke Wednesday, July 28, 2022, Directive Number 02-22, Your Governor, the Honorable Carson K. Sikra, in Gasho Aksamoye la Vajaliklan Masing COVID-19, Panay President Directive saying sumna yung departments, agencies na kaywa in Fatui ke ritma folok na ke ritma lalos ke len mising July len longolimekos Monday. Mait Kosrae, Langsian Kosrae, Matalis Taligian Kosrae, Pahinga News Photo, Makat Kanisut na assume ke channels going